Hello guys and welcome back to Coding, and today we are going to code a drawing app which I have over here, and I must delete all the code so I can code together with you. And yeah, this is a bit of a hint of how it'll be like. Here you can change this. Yeah, this is the hint of how it'll be like. So let's just get started in coding this drawing app. Okay, so here we have a few things. So this is our draw function and this is our setup function. So like let's just set the background to black. Background 2000. And then now we want to make so like you might be wondering like the background is here, but instead we should put the background not here in the draw but in the setup, and I'll explain to you why soon. So here we have our black background. For some reason that it's not working. Oh yeah, because let's not hit the draw. So let's just run the path. And I think my sister is here to disturb me again. Okay, good, it works. So now we'll have to go to the def mouse drag. So you might be wondering what the mouse drag function is for, but it's exactly what it sounds like. So you just do this, then you can say stroke, since you stroke lines. You can say 255, 255, 255. Thank you, AI. And then you can say, yeah, let's give a stroke rate of 5. And we can create a line from P mouse X. Now, if you're wondering what P mouse X is, it's the previous mouse X. So mouse X is like current mouse X, but P mouse X is like a frame ago, like where the mouse X was a frame ago. So like let's just do all of that. And then if we run it, should work. If not, I'll be surprised. Yes, it's working. Here you go. So this is a drawing app, but it's not going to be a simple drawing app because if you remember my previous video, the simple drawing app video, it was more of circles, but this is like a line. So we need to add more features because like we're only like 2 minutes in the video. So yeah, so you guys can, I mean, please don't click off here, but this is a good spot to show how like this drawing app works. See, you can drag it, it feels more real. So maybe next, please don't. So now we can create a variable, let's call it line thickness, and let's set it to 5 at first. So then here, my sister just attacked me. So then we can create this variable line thickness. We also need to make it global here. Let's do line thickness. Okay, so when we say over here another function called def key press. So def key press priest, huh? Okay. Then set the clickstone. It's spelled def key pressy. Okay, so def key press. Then we can say global. Then we want to make line thickness global, so that when we change it here, then it will update. Then global line thickness. Then we want to say if key is down, let's give it 32 because 32 is the space for is the space bar. So if key is down 32, line thickness plus equals 1. Okay. Then over here we want to global line thickness again because we don't want it to get too thick. Like imagine if it gets as thick as the universe, that wouldn't be good. So let's just do global line thickness here, and then we can say if line thickness is greater than 10, then line thickness equals to 1. So then if we try that out, then here we have line thickness of 5. Is it increasing? Or 32, enter? Don't know. I think there's something wrong. Here's on 32, line thickness plus equals 1. Let's check dev 2. No, everything seems fine. Or is my keyboard connected? I really don't know. Okay, let's try another one. Let me go check my key code. So see, let's enter 13. This is 32. Enter 13. Okay, so let's change it to 13. And let's run that. Okay, so we have this. Okay, and then we press enter. Is it getting any thicker? Nah, it's not working. I don't know why. Let's check. Just key pressed. Global line thickness. Alright. Then line thickness plus equals 1. I really don't know what's wrong. Let's see. If we teach this out, will this work? So let's just comment this out here and here, and then if we run that, let's see what happens. Yeah, there's definitely something wrong here. Let me just go take a look while you guys just.
1 hour later.
Okay, I am so sorry, guys. I realized I was like so silly. I didn't even put it in the stroke rate. Yeah. And I think my sister is blocking the screen, so there's technical error here. I'll just have to get her to move. So, Samantha, could you please move out of my way of the screen, please? Please, I am recording. Sorry, guys. Okay, my sister really doesn't want to get out. Okay, well, okay then. We can just continue the video. So because like we're gonna end this soon. So this is how it works. Like you can keep pressing enter. So then you see these are the different thicknesses. That's even what you call it. It's actually quite cool. Yeah. So this is where we're gonna leave it for today. And please stay tuned in for part 2. And hopefully my sister is not there. But I'll see you guys in the next video. And thank you guys for watching. And see you guys in the next video. And bye guys.